Morning, are you alright? Something different here, but this is a bit of a peach. Okay, new laptop for our lass, and I sent off for a carry case for it, just to keep it safe and secure. It's not going to be left out on the tabletop a lot. 14-inch Acer laptop she has. This was a nice pink cover, and this is a DOMISO 14-inch waterproof laptop sleeve bag case. Okay, it's got a handle, it's got a zipper, and you know, it's a good bit of kit. This, a really good bit of kit. £15 off Amazon, January 2021. Okay, I was quite impressed. Zip. Okay, as you carry it like this, the zipper is from underneath, so then it opens fully, and there you've got your laptop. Okay, a nice soft lined case there, you know, really quite protective. A lot of these laptops now are quite shiny and fresh, mirror like, so voila, there you go, zips up. There's a little compartment zip in the front. Okay, our lass has just got the a mouse in it. You know, I wouldn't put your power lead, perhaps that would be a bit too much in that pocket. You know, you can see it's not substantial, but it'll take the mouse. Once it's charged, that's enough for it. Nice 4-level handle, soft touch, and I think it's a really good bit of kit. DOMISO, never heard of the make before, but happy days. I'm really impressed with that. Like I say, the inside is quite soft and protective for the laptop. Take a 14-inch, you know, there's no spare room there, so it is a 14-inch laptop that it'll take. It says for Lenovo, HP, Dell, Acer and Asus laptops, so, but check it out online. DOMISO 14-inch waterproof laptop carrying case. Yeah, I like it, really like that bit of kit. Recommend it. Okay, catch up soon. Bye.